Hello everyone, welcome back to the lesson. Today we are going to learn something very important in English. It is about sentence types by purpose. Maybe you have used these sentences before, but you are not really sure how to classify them correctly, isn't it? But don't worry, today I will explain everything clearly and simply. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to 1. Understand different types of sentences. 2. Identify their purpose. 3. Use them correctly. So, let us get started. So what does sentence types by purpose mean? It means classify sentences based on what they do. Let's look at some examples. She is my best friend. It gives information. Where are you going? It asks a question. Please open your book. It gives a command or request. What a beautiful day. It shows strong feeling. So each sentence has a different purpose. I hope you understand this part clearly. In English, there are 4 main types of sentences: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Each type has a different purpose. Here is a simple way to remember. Declarative makes a statement. Interrogative asks a question. Imperative gives a command. Exclamatory shows strong feeling. Very simple, right? I hope everyone understands about this clearly. Let's start with the first type. What is a declarative sentence? A declarative sentence makes a statement and gives information. It tells something to someone. The structure is subject plus verb plus object. For example, she is my teacher. The sentence gives information, right? He plays football. This sentence gives information too, isn't it? So I hope you all understand about this part clearly. Next, let us look at interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentence asks a question. For example, do you like English? Notice that it ends with a question mark. More examples are you ready? Where do you live? So anytime you ask a question, you are using an interrogative sentence. Alright? Now let us move to imperative sentences. An imperative sentence tells someone what to do. It can be a command or request. The structure is very simple. Verb plus object. The subject is usually hidden and it is you. For example, open your book. This means you open your book. Other examples: sit down. Please listen carefully. We don't say you, but we understand it. Alright? Remember this, everyone. If the sentence starts with a verb and tells someone what to do, it is an imperative sentence. I hope everyone understands this part clearly. Finally, let us talk about exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence shows strong feeling, such as happiness, surprise, or excitement. For example, what a beautiful day. More examples: I'm so happy. That is amazing. Notice that these sentences end with an exclamation mark. Let us check your understanding. Can you identify these sentences? She is my teacher. It is declarative sentence. Do you understand? It is an interrogative sentence. Close the door. It is an imperative sentence. What a great idea! It is an exclamatory sentence. Alright, great job everyone. So finally, today we learn about sentence types by purpose. Number 1, declarative is a statement. Interrogative is a question. Imperative is a command. Exclamatory shows feeling. If you understand this well, your English will become much clearer. Thank you very much and see you in the next lesson. Bye!